This is our Zilab programming environment for students. So as an instructor, you can create a markdown specification of your lab. In this example, you get 4 points for using print to output a specific string. And there's a couple other steps for various number of points. And each of those can be associated with a output comparison test or a unit test or something that you, the instructor, defines. So you write your description of what you want your students to do. They have a very, very simple interface here to write their code. So it's intentionally scaled down. Remember, these are students that probably have never coded before in many cases. So it's very simple. Does do syntax highlighting and all of that fun stuff. But it's really just a streamlined experience so that they can focus on writing their code. That's what's important here. So a student can come in here, they can write their code. Let's see, what am I supposed to do? Print step 1 complete. Great. And there's two sort of experiences for students. They can just develop. This is Sandbox. It's not scored at all. This is like, just iterative development of your code as a student. So you can run your program and you can see the output of it. That's all there is to it. And then you have your submit mode. So when you're ready, you've got your code all ready to go. You click submit, and then we'll actually run the test bench against that you, the instructor, has defined. So in this case, I did step 1. Perfect. Haven't addressed the next 2 points, but students, you can see, okay, here's the diff, here's what was expected, and I didn't do that, so then I can iterate. You, the instructor, can control if there should be time between submissions. You don't want students just spamming it. You want to have them wait 30 seconds. You can do that if you want. If you want to put a password on this lab because it's a quiz, you can do that. If you want your students to have a max number of submissions, etc., there's all kinds of controls that you can work with depending on how your course is set up.